Hey guys, we're going to read a book this morning. This is called How to Code a Sandcastle, and it's written by Josh Funk. Hello world, I'm Pearl. It's the last day of summer vacation, which means today is my very last chance to build a sandcastle. I've tried every single day, but something always ruins it. First came the flying saucers, then the shark attack. And maybe worst of all was the moat that Ada Puglis added. But today, I've got the perfect plan. I've bought my trusty robot, Pascal. Say hello to the world, Pascal. Hello, world. He'll do whatever I tell him as long as I tell him in code. It's not a secret code, it's special instructions that computers understand. And she's saying, now, build a sandcastle. So he's thinking and thinking and thinking. I guess he doesn't know how to do that. But a coder takes one big problem and breaks it into several smaller ones. If I give Pascal enough instructions that he does know, we'll build this sandcastle in no time. It'll be easy peasy. Small problem number 1. Find a place to build. Pascal, find a flat spot away from all dogs and frisbees. No, Pascal, we need to be on land. You can't build in the ocean. Too far. We don't want to build in the parking lot. I guess I need to be specific with my instructions. Pascal, find a spot on sand that isn't too close to the water. This isn't as easy as I thought, but at least we have a place to build. Small problem number 2. Gather up sand. Now, we'll need a huge pile of sand. It's very important to tell Pascal everything in the correct sequence, which means the right order. Number 1, fill the pail with sand. Number 2, dump the sand on our spot. Number 3, pat the sand down. Great job, Pascal. Now, let's do it again. Fill the pail, dump the sand, pat it down. And again, fill, dump, pat. This is getting so boring. There must be a coding trick I can use. Aha, a loop. When you need to repeat something in code, you can use a loop. Pascal, loop through this sequence. Fill the pail with sand, dump the sand on our spot, pat the sand down. And look, now he's doing it. All over and over and over and over and over. This still might take a while. I'm going to relax while you work. He's still working. Still taking a long time. Uh-oh, I think that's a big enough. Time for a break, Pascal. He's got a giant one. Small problem number 3. Shape and decorate the castle. Let's each find some fancy decorations and bring them back here. I've got seashells. What do you have, Pascal? That's way too big. We need to find something smaller. We can't put the lifeguard on there. So go find some more things. Now our castle is finally finished. Wait here. I'll be back with some toys. Are you ready to play? Oh no, what happened? Of course, it's high tide and our castle is all gone. Go ahead, Pascal, you can make a moat today. Wait, a moat? Oh, I think she's got an idea. A moat would have protected the castle from the tide. If only I had thought of a moat earlier. It took half the day to figure out how to code a sandcastle. But hold on, I already wrote the code to build a sandcastle. I can easily use all that code again. Number 1, find a place to build. Number 2, gather up sand. Number 3, shape and decorate the castle. But we're not done. Now you've got a new problem. Small problem number 4. Build a moat. I think a new sequence should solve this small problem, and I know how to write one of those. Let's try. Number 1, dig around the outside of the castle. Number 2, fill the pail with sand. Number 3, empty the pail away from the castle. And we need to repeat this until we've gone all the way around the castle. I know, another loop. So we're going to repeat it around and around. That's enough, Pascal. Hooray! Our sandcastle is finished and safe from the ocean. Hey, Pascal, now that we know how to code one sandcastle, we can code an entire kingdom. The end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this book. And this summer, make sure you read lots and lots of books. You can find some about coding or other things at the beach or sandcastles, whatever you want to read. But don't forget to read this summer. We'll see y'all next year.